Hey everyone, and welcome back. We're diving into something pretty big today. It's generative AI. I bet you've heard the buzz.
Definitely lots of talk about AI taking jobs.
Oh yeah, for sure. But you know what else?
It's creating a ton of opportunity, too.
Huge opportunity. And get this, we found a free Microsoft certification course on generative AI.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's from this YouTube video by Jenny's Lectures CSIT. It's called Microsoft Free Certification Course on Generative AI, Best AI Courses with Free Certificates. Catchy title, right?
Definitely gets the point across.
So the big thing is Microsoft and LinkedIn are offering this professional certificate, and it's totally free.
I think that's really cool, making it accessible to everyone.
For sure.
Well, it's not just one course. It's 6 individual courses.
Oh, wow.
Each one focuses on a different part of generative AI.
Okay.
And you get a LinkedIn Learning certificate for each one you finish.
That's really cool. So you build your own learning path.
Exactly. And then after you finish all 6 and pass a final exam, you get the professional certificate.
From Microsoft and LinkedIn?
Yep.
That's got to look good on a resume.
For sure. It shows you're serious about this tech.
And I think I heard it only takes like 4.5 hours to finish the whole thing.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's made to be accessible. You learn at your own pace.
So you could be a busy professional or a student.
Yeah, anyone can do it.
It's all online too.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This deep dive has really opened my eyes to what generative AI can do.
Me too. It's pretty incredible. And the best part is, anyone can learn about it with this free program.
I know, right? It's a total game changer.